Hi, I'm Scott Breivold, a librarian at the Cal State L.A. University Library. In this 2-minute tutorial, I'll give you a quick tour of our multimedia databases here at the library, which you can use to find photographs, fine art images, music, video and sound clips, and more. You know from our previous tutorial what a database is. It's a collection of materials, like articles, images, or videos, in one of many subject areas, with special filters and tools to help you search in that area. In this case, we're talking about multimedia databases. This covers photographs, video, sound clips, and more. Let's explore what we have to offer. First, navigate over to calstatela.edu/library. Under the search bar, tap Databases. This shows you a master list of all the informational databases we offer here. But I want to see all the databases specializing in media, so under All Database Types, I'll click Media. Scrolling down, you'll see all the different types of databases with media and their areas of research. Let's look at a few. Academic Video Online is one of the largest online video collections in the library. Subjects include anthropology, business, counseling, film, health, history, music, and more, with documentaries, archival film clips, and breaking news. The ArtStor digital library has almost 2 million digital images, with new image collections added several times a year. It covers many time periods and subjects including architecture, painting, sculpture, photography, decorative arts, design, anthropology, ethnographic and women's studies, as well as many other forms of visual culture. Anatomy TV is an incredible resource that includes 3D maps of the entire human body from head to toe, including clinical text to accompany the videos, dissection slides and videos, animations, and more. Also featured are resources for sports injuries, clinical specialties like speech-language pathology, and audiology and therapy. The Pro Sound Effects Master Library is a database of over 200,000 professional sound effects and sound design elements. You can download these sounds to use in your academic projects free of charge. The Music and Dance Online Library has 11 million audio tracks, 2,500 hours of video, 1.4 million pages of musical scores, and more. In this database, you can watch videos of live performances, listen to audio recordings and instructional films, read previously unpublished works from well-known playwrights, and see current and archival performance posters and playbills. This was just a small part of the various media options we have available in databases here at the Cal State L.A. Library. We're always subscribing and adding new databases to our collection, so be sure to check back often to see all the ways you can add dynamic media resources to your assignments and projects. Be sure to check out all the videos in our 2-minute tutorial series on our social media channels and on our website, calstatela.edu/library.